In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for small business marketing, fast and easy. Pinterest is a powerful platform with more than 450 million or 50 million users worldwide, making it a fantastic tool for reaching a broad audience interested in visual inspiration and ideas. Let's dive into how you can leverage this platform for your business success. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Pinterest website. You can easily do this by typing Pinterest into Google and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on the site, if you haven't already done so, create an account dedicated to your business. Setting up your profile is the next crucial step. Make sure to optimize it by using a professional profile picture such as your logo and fill out the About section with keywords that relate to your business. This will make it easier for potential customers to find you. Next, it's time to create boards centered around the products or services you offer. Boards should be designed based on what your target customers are searching for. For example, if you run a bakery, you might create boards like cupcake ideas, wedding cakes, or baking tips. Make sure to use relevant keywords in both your board names and descriptions for better visibility. Adding branded covers to your boards can also give them a more polished, professional look. With your boards ready, the next step is to design eye-catching branded pins. Tools like Canva are handy for this task. Incorporate your brand's colors, fonts, and logo into your pin designs. Consider adding clear text overlays, like 10 easy cake recipes, to better communicate the content of your pin. Remember to link these pins back to relevant pages on your website, whether that's a product page, a blog post, or your online store, to encourage direct traffic. To further enhance your visibility, you want to utilize Pinterest SEO. Incorporate keywords not only in your pin titles and descriptions, but also within board names and alt text. Think about how your customers would search for your content using phrases like easy weeknight meals or best skincare for dry skin. While hashtags can help, focusing on strong, relevant keywords is key. Consistency is another vital component of Pinterest success. Aim to pin daily or at least weekly. If this sounds daunting, consider using scheduling tools like Pinterest Scheduler or Tailwind to plan and automate your pins. Repurpose content to create multiple pin designs from a single blog post or product listing. And don't forget, seasonal pins related to holidays or events can perform exceptionally well. Lastly, use Pinterest Analytics to track your success. Identify which pins are driving the most traffic and sales, and don't hesitate to refine your strategy based on this data. Refresh older pins with new designs to keep them appealing and maintain steady traffic flow. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Pinterest as a marketing tool for your small business, maximizing your reach, and driving more traffic and sales seamlessly.